talk a lot, but not a lot, sha. I just feel like lately, for the past months, I've not been so organized. I've not been posting shorts, I've not been posting vlogs. I say vlog, obviously, YouTube here, I have been consistent. My Instagram is a mess, every other part of my social media career is a mess, and I do not like the way I am packaging myself out there. So I just want to plan and re-strategize, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now.
Mr. Rebel, are you there? Why are you talking to me?
My Madeira, all these thoughts of trouble. Ariasta, wherever you are, just pick me from the streets. I tell you, it will not be a waste of your time. Pick me from the streets, please.
Yeah, I said I sang that song. I mean, Thames.
Thames, my baby, Thames.
Olodo, who is your baby? Come on, get it.
Thames, pick me from the streets. Take me away, please.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Come back to another vlog. I just posted a vlog like a few days ago and it's doing so bad and I'm so sad, but not gonna stop me. Okay, you guys, let's take a moment to appreciate the skin. So anyways, you guys, I and Sinachi are about to go and hunt for corn. Yesterday we were going to go and buy this corn, and when we got there were two vendors.
I don't know whether they were.
I swear they timed us. Like as we were coming like this, they were packing up. I said no, and this babe's corn is a lot. Like is the ish. So today it's just 4, but like 5 p.m. Or should we go now?
Won't we look hungry? We're gonna wait for them to start setting up.
Oh my god, we're gonna wait for them to start setting up, guys. We look desperate. Don't worry, we're going to go 5 to go and I hope she has pear and coconut because I'm craving corn this evening. And why are you dancing behind my video? This come and tell us how school was. Now come and talk to my subscribers.
Hey guys, welcome back to her channel. School was fucked up, it was traumatic. I almost died, I almost lost my life countless times, but you know, I just have to keep on trying.
I beg is a lie, which
and yeah, I'm basically a graduate right now.
Anyways, you guys, let's go and get our corn. Come with us to go and buy corn. Hey, and what's that song? Welcome everybody, welcome.
What song is that?
It's a banger.
Hey babe, see?
About to kill it.
My heart, Mr. Rebel. Come in my heart, Mr. Rebel. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me?
Corn acquired.
You guys, we got the corn and we cheated the man. I got 4, I'll be 5 for how much? I'm so happy. And we got pear. I'm just so excited. So I'm about to go and eat right now.
It's giving this, has a hint of burnt caramel flavor. Then at the end it has this tickle of succulent popcorn.
Yeah, you're good.
And it's not usually just flavorable.
Please give me coconut. I didn't take coconut. Give me that off my Please give me coconut. I didn't take coconut. I already took pear. Thank you. What do they do like this? They embarrass yourself for my YouTube.
From Bamandait, baby, I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Or did you look for me? I walked in the room, eyes are red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Or did you notice me? Nobody will know the paranoia, 'cause I put a smile on my face. Because I do
burning heavy fire. Unsafe, but I'm still out here. What are we doing, my girl, my girl? I surrender in myself. My hands are up in the air. Only time will tell the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I have this problem that I'll start vlogging and I'll just talk. So I want to pick out outfits I'm going to wear Monday to Friday because we are about to step into a new week that I cover with the precious blood of Jesus that is going to go well because a lot is happening right now. So let me just show you guys. I already have what I want to like work with on my head, but I just want to like visualize it and see. So I'm going to start Monday with a dress. So I think this dress, I'm going to show you guys this dress. This bodysuit and my normal black pants should slay. That's outfit number 3. I don't even know if you guys can see me properly. I know here is kind of not so bright because of the light. We're just going to have to work with what we have, okay? You just have to stay. That's all I want you to do. Stay with me. Badura for me. Pray I find my way. So 2 more outfits to go. Come on.
What is the reason you do not have your own peace?
Hi guys, this is how the week turned out. I think I like it. It's giving all these 80s, 90s. But it's calm. I don't know, I think I like how it turned out. It's not so bad. So this is fit for Monday.
What is the reason you do not have your own peace of mind? Are you having fun or are you doing this thing to survive? Are you taking the pictures of every memories of your life? Only time will tell the difference clear.
Hi guys, so I was going to make this a weekend vlog, but for some reason today is Tuesday and I am still vlogging. I mean, but anyways, so I know this vlog is looking like it has no direction, but trust me, it's heading somewhere. Okay, I want this vlog to be up on Friday, so I don't know how it's gonna be possible. I may end it tomorrow, I may end it today, but I'm expecting a package. I want to unbox it here for you guys, so that's why I've actually not ended this vlog. The vendor is just doing me like this. He's just doing me like this. So let's see, sure. But if it doesn't get here today or tomorrow, I'll just end this vlog because I actually want it to be up on Friday, okay? Yeah.
Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
She's taking me one picture with the iPhone, one fine. Okay, right. I want to stand and take a picture. Okay, man.
You guys, I love this song so much.
Falling in love with who I am. I don't have time for anything that's gonna harm me. Words have the power to empower or destroy me. I'm on this journey, returning to the old me.
Hi guys, I don't think I was talking to you guys today, but I'm about to end this vlog and I just wanted to like talk a bit. So my colleague told me that because she watches my YouTube video and she'll probably see this, she said that my vlogs are giving, I'm not doing too much, but I'm doing too much. How make it make sense? I don't believe that's a good compliment or a bad compliment. Like she says, I don't try so hard, but it's given. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I don't know if I used to even give outros to my vlog. I always just say thank you, but this time around I came here to say thank you guys so much for watching my vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Actually, my next vlog is going to be my birthday vlog. I'm just going to tell you guys now for free. I'm not doing shit for my birthday. My birthday is on a work day, so I'll probably be here and working. So zero plans, expect nothing, but never say never, right?